So about My Vedic Roots is founded by Miss Ekta Mangal and co-founded by Miss Yash Mangal and Shweta Mangal and Emergency INC USA, a leading business incubator and accelerator. My Vedic Roots goal is to connect Indians living abroad with their Vedic roots through puja, yoga, vastu of architecture organizing in India, astrology and Vedic education. Vedas are ancient Indian traditions consisting of Rig Veda, the Samaveda, the Yajurveda, and the Atharva Veda. So we are trying to provide you with different topics which will definitely connect you with your Vedic roots. And today topic is makes it very relevant because when I am reading as a layman that what is Vastu Shastra. So we should definitely combine all the five elements of nature and balance them with men and materials, to make it compatible with our life. So with that, I would like to welcome on the screen Mr. Mukesh Premji Maru. He is having more than 20 years of experience and he is in Mumbai based Vastu professional serving the residential and commercial global Vastu area since 2001 with specialized in custom home improvements as well as community and commercial buildings, and also around the last 2 decades have completed infinite Vastu projects, bringing the client's dream to the life. So very warm welcome, Mr. Mukesh. How are you?
Thank you.
Namaskar. Really looking
Namaste.
forward to hear you today. Yeah.
Thank you. So, greetings, dear all. We welcome you all to the world of Vastu. This is Mukesh Premji Maru from India, your complete Vastu guide for total happiness. It gives us great pleasure and happiness to present this webinar today. To start with, first, let's come together and love one another right now to understand what is Vastu and how does it affect our life. So, let's dive right into and learn the wholesome aim of Vastu Shastra by keeping the god of wealth, Lord Kubera, happy and pleased at all times, that he could shower his blessings that you ever desire by just following the proven Vastu Shastra. The roots of Vastu Shastra belongs, as we know, to the Vedic period. India is the heaven of Vastu, as our ancient saints and sages thousands of years ago formulated principles of Vastu here, keeping in mind the effects of energies and sunlight and balance all the five elements of nature in a manner to have the maximum benefit out of it, and are very valuable for the well-being of mankind today on this planet Earth, irrespective of any castes, creeds, religions, races, and all walks of life. Vastu Shastra is universal. Vastu Shastra is not a magic, but only the pure science encompassing the way to look at human problems. The correct Vastu gives out positive energies that helps the environment work in your favor. Vastu could be used for every room, every space, every house, every temple, every shop, all the industries, offices. When the elements of Vastu are balanced in your environment, opportunities will arise, and it is entirely up to you to utilize these opportunities. And if you do that, you will really live a valuable life of peace, happiness, contentment, and abundance. So embraces this ancient science and watch your success. So by now, we understood the role of Vastu. So now let's start this webinar. So today we are going to talk in this webinar related to the Vastu doshas that affects our livelihood. There are multiple ways a Vastu dosha could occur in various parts of an independent home or office or shop or a factory or an apartment or a villa. And hence, to make it easier for you to comprehend the various Vastu doshas, we have created a list of Vastu doshas. And we are 100% sure that you will understand everything by just looking at it. Now, before we start understanding the Northeast Vastu dosha, we want you to understand the simple and easy reason as to why northeast direction is considered so powerful in Vastu Shastra. Though each direction has its own significance, northeast direction is considered to be exceptionally auspicious as northeast is the direction of God, as Lord Shiva resides in this direction. It is also known as Ishanya corner. The name Ishan is the name of Lord Shiva. For this reason, northeast direction finds huge importance in ancient Hindu texts as well, and hence is considered the most auspicious direction in Vastu Shastra. It is the direction where most powerful, positive, and progressive energies are generated. Once these positive energies enter your home and office, they enrich you with health, wealth, prosperity, and overall abundance. Moreover, Jupiter is the ruling planet of northeast direction, so it represents good fortune, growth, expansion. For this reason, northeast direction always have been regarded as a prime direction while analyzing Vastu for any home or a plot. Since now you have understood the importance of northeast direction, we now want you to really understand that any Vastu dosha in northeast direction or corner of a home or office is definite to disturb the positive energy patterns, and that in turn would certainly lead to worries, troubles, and lots of issues, problems, and misfortune. We now reveal to you Vastu dosha that frequently occur in most homes and offices, whether independent or apartment. So let's take a look at some of the northeast Vastu doshas associated in the northeast direction. So there are various parts. The first starts with there is a toilet in the northeast. The second, there may be a kitchen in the northeast. The third, there may be a bedroom in the northeast. The fourth, there may be a staircase in the northeast. The fifth, there may be a cut or a missing zone in the northeast corner. The sixth, there may be an overhead tank in the northeast corner. Seventh, there may be a septic tank in the northeast corner. So these are the most common Vastu doshas that frequently occur in a home or any apartment. You are now familiar with the northeast Vastu dosha that frequently occur in an independent home or an apartment. So these are the various parts that are there in that particular corner which disturbs the energy of that particular space. Next slide, please. We now want you to completely focus your attention to the problems, issues, and troubles which this northeast Vastu doshas are guaranteed to bring with them. The following are some of the consequences that you may come across the northeast Vastu doshas. The problem they lead to, the first, related to your health issues. There might be a health issue related to the head, such as an extreme pain like a migraine, mental problem such as indecisions, confusions, and wrong judgments, accidents involving head injury, brain hemorrhage, mental disorder, depression, infertility, blood, kidney, and vision related medical concerns may trigger and arise. The second, financial issues, worrying financial difficulties, loss and wastage of money, failure to repay loan, increasing debt, and finally bankruptcy in long run. The third, family issue, misunderstanding and frequent clashes and arguments between husband and wife, legal separations or divorce causing severe disturbances in mental well-being of the entire family. Please note that this illness and issues could happen to anyone and keep on happening again and again until you fix the Vastu doshas or reduce its ill effects. Having understood the implications of having Vastu doshas in northeast corner or a part of your home, it's time now to focus your mind on something positive, and that is we at My Vedic Roots have simple and effective remedies based on reprogrammed pyramids and healed crystals to all the Vastu doshas, so that the ill effect of the above mentioned Vastu doshas could be released for you to stay a happy and a balanced life. However, this Vastu remedies seems to work like a charm in majority of the cases. As already explained, there are many placements that are advised to avoid in such a Vastu, especially in the northeast corner of the house. So you might be wondering that if placing the bathroom, a kitchen, a staircase, a bedroom brings Vastu dosha, what room can be placed instead? Well, for best result, try to have the puja room in the northeast corner. As this is the direction of the god, having the temple will channel the godly energies more prominently. Also, you could consider having a living room or a study room in this northeast zone, as we carry out our job related work in this section of the home from time to time. It will bring creativity and analytic thinking while doing so. We have shared the list of Vastu doshas and its possible remedies. Before wrapping off the same, let's take a look at some most useful tips for this northeast facing home or office. Never keep any hindrances in the northeast corner, such as bulky furnitures, shoe racks. Keep the space free so that energy would flow freely. Always keep the northeast side of the house clean and free of any junk stuffs, any clutter. It is always recommended to keep the entire house clean for the proper energy to flow in. Try to keep this zone, northeast zone, free of any repair or construction works. Having understood all the Vastu doshas of northeast corner of the home and office, we believe and trust that you are now in a position to immediately recognize any Vastu doshas in the northeast direction and could avail the effective remedy for the same. Needless to say, you must correct them as soon as possible. If you are building your home, then you could easily make it happen by evaluating your floor plan. This is why it's highly recommended to seek advice of a Vastu expert before finalizing the floor plan of any property. But not everyone could build their own home from the scratch. So what about the individuals who already purchased such a house or a flat or live in the ancestral home? You simply cannot just make structural demolition in it. So how you could fix this Vastu doshas? You simply cannot just make structural demolition in it. So how can you fix that Vastu doshas? A simple Vastu expert consultant, useful remedies that involves balancing the Vastu element with simple things could help you resolve the doshas of the Northeast. The Vastu doshas of Northeast facing homes must be fixed at the earliest. Living with this Vastu doshas could lead to severe issues for your family and you yourself. At My Vedic Roots, you will get useful Vastu guidelines and Vastu remedies which you could implement with ease. Feel free to get in touch with us for query related with any aspect or Vastu of any property. Let it be Vastu for home or office or more. Make My Vedic Route your one-stop destination. Furthermore, since You now know what Vastu doshas in northeast direction a home office may have. We highly recommend you to join our other scheduled webinar that will highlight you about the Vastu doshas of southwest, southeast, northwest direction too. Also, if you feel that all the valuable information that we provided above in this webinar today helped you in any manner, then please do share with your friends and family to help them get remove the ill effects of the Vastu doshas. And also, it will enhance their knowledge regarding the same. It's now over to you. If you have any questions, you could ask us or on chat or email us on myvedicroots.com.